You'd be amazed how often I see questions about the catalytic converter on the Honda Accord 2016. It's one of those car parts that has a reputation, and given how expensive it is to replace, you quickly realize why folks get obsessed. Having your check engine light come on, only to find out it's the catalytic converter, is so peak bad day. Suddenly, you're calculating if you can pay rent and repair your car in the same month. Spoiler, that repair bill can hit $2,000 real fast. Let's talk about what the catalytic converter even does. It's basically a mad chemist living under your car, scrubbing bad exhaust gases like nitrogen oxides and carbon monoxide into less toxic stuff. Without it, your car is basically an outlaw spitting pollution everywhere. The 2016 Accord, specifically, has become a bit of a hot target for theft. Thieves slide under at night and cut the catalytic converter out in 3 minutes flat. You come back to a car that roars like a jet engine, and the repair is all on you. Now, why does this part get stolen so much? Because it's loaded with platinum, palladium, and rhodium. Metal's so valuable that an enterprising thief can sell a single Honda Accord converter for $200 to $400 in scrap metal. Meanwhile, you're left footing a bill 5 times that. Here's where things get irritating. You can't just saran wrap a new one in there yourself. The Honda Accord 2016 catalytic converter is pretty buried under heat shields and pipes. Most shops will quote 3 to 6 hours of labor, and dealerships, they'll make you wish you had a bicycle. Stepwise, first you get the check engine light, typically with codes like P0420. Next up is a throaty exhaust noise, a hint of rotten eggs, and even slow acceleration. If you start noticing rotten smell and laggy performance, probably not a coincidence. The cat's clogged. Here's a serious pro tip. Don't ignore these signs. Running with a dead converter can kill your O2 sensors, damage your engine, or even lead to failed emissions tests. In states like California or even parts of Oregon, that means you're not legally driving anywhere. Let's talk about options. OEM catalytic converters for the 2016 Accord cost north of $1,500, not including labor. Aftermarket versions exist for $200 to $600, but beware. Use the wrong one, and your check engine light will become your car's new nightlight. A lot of people try the catalytic converter cleaner route from auto parts stores. For $15, it sounds tempting, but frankly, if it's already clogged or stolen, this stuff is the equivalent of putting a Band-Aid over Niagara Falls. No magic liquids here. One giant pain point is theft prevention. Install a catalytic converter shield. They run about $200 plus $100 for labor. Some police in Portland, yes, my home turf, now recommend etching your VIN into the converter to make resale harder for thieves. It's not foolproof, but it helps. If you're doing the replacement, save every receipt. Honda has issued emissions-related recalls in the past, and warranties sometimes get extended. There's a non-zero chance you could be reimbursed if the car is under 8 years, 80,000 miles federal emissions warranty. People love their Accords for being reliable, but when that check engine light flashes for the cat, you realize car ownership is just an endless series of choose your fighter with repair bills. Shield your converter, keep your receipts, and don't trust the silence of your neighborhood at night.